Okay, it's been a week already since I had this stone white dbrand skin, and my impression did not really change, still the same. It is still slippery, but a little bit better than without the skin, than without this skin. But compared with the carbon fiber that my wife uses, she said it is still slippery compared to this case. So this case is a fabric case. We bought this from Google together with the phone. So this is like their own case, but this is still grippier than this carbon fiber skin. But this carbon fiber skin is way better without this skin. Just a bare phone, it is still grippier. So that leaves me the question, will this standard fit carbon fiber material is gonna be better than the precision stone white? So we're gonna answer that in this video. So stick around. So we're gonna turn off this thing now. So this is the standard fit. So we're gonna remove this thing now. You should be able to remove this as promised by the company. Yeah, it looks like it's removable. And by the way, there's also a reason why maybe the precision fit is not gonna be for you. Here, if it's not really done properly, like mine, it's actually pretty poor job. It can be really sharp, a little bit sharp. I tried to smoothen this out, but it's still sharp. If it's not properly well done, then it's gonna be annoying every time you touch this corner. Like maybe when you're watching a video and then you can actually feel that sharpness in here. But I'm pretty sure if you're really good at putting this skin, that you won't really have that sharp feeling in this corner with the precision fit, that is. Okay, moving on to removing this thing. So ripping this thing off. I must say it doesn't feel like it's leaving a residue. Well, it's still just about a week, so it's probably not gonna leave any residue in there. Oh, there is. Oh, maybe it's the way I remove this thing. That's why it's leaving that residues. Ah, too bad that logo looks nice that I have to remove it. Wait. Okay, there's some residues left here, but it's not so bad. So we're gonna remove this logo too. This is gonna be bulging. Yeah, there are some residues, but it's not so bad. So nothing an alcohol can remove. Now to apply this. Okay, it actually really feel good, way better than the precision fit of the stone white material. Wow, I can't decide which one's better. Well, I'm glad that I switched because this is actually pretty good. So this actually caught me by big surprise, guys. I could not imagine that this standard fit is actually feels much better on the hand. It's actually grippy enough uh, that I would not be worried to drop my phone. And compared to this one, this is actually much grippier compared to this because there's still glass on the side. But it's actually not that bad. Uh, yeah, compared to this one is much grippier. Yeah, because it's wrapped around, right? But I would still prefer this because it's actually feels nice. There's no more sharp on the edges in here. So there's some more sharp edges in here, like compared to this one. Yeah, compared to this one. Hold on. Yeah, compared to this one, there's like joints in here, right? I don't know what's the word for it, but it actually feels sharp because of this. But my wife said she doesn't really mind. And also, what I don't like about the precision fit is that the buttons are too shallow or too recessed now, that it's kind of hard to find sometimes. And my wife actually agrees with me too. She said there are times that's really hard to find the button. But with the standard fit, there's no need to worry about that because there's no skin wrapped around here. So the buttons are actually exposed just fine. So there are no more sharp things around the corner. It's a little bit wrapped around. I think it's just covering the glass. That's it. And yeah, it doesn't really feel like I'm gonna drop the phone. It's actually fine. And what else? But I do imagine that over time, though, maybe 2 or 3 months, this is gonna be slippery because after a while of using, it's gonna be rubbed against on your pocket or somewhere else, in your hand. So this vinyl material, I think the texture are gonna eventually smoothen. So I think that's where the dbrand business is gonna kick in, because you're gonna be like buying this thing again because it doesn't feel the same anymore. Then yeah, that's a good business for them. Actually, if that happens, I'm not sure I'm gonna be keep buying though, but who knows. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like it, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you love it, please do subscribe if you're new here. And as always, guys, stay busy, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video.